In a world where technology and luxury intersect, the 2025 Ram 1500 has taken a huge leap forward. But is it enough to redefine the pickup truck market? Let's find out.
The 2025 Ram 1500 introduces not one but two new engines under the Hurricane family. The 3-litre Hurricane and its high-output counterpart promises more power and efficiency.
And with the introduction of the Ram Ultra Premium Tungsten trim, they have raised the bar for luxury.
For those needing power on the go, the Ram 1500 features an onboard inverter capable of producing up to 2 kilowatts.
Now, technology-wise, the new Ram 1500 is a behemoth. This is a 14.5-inch screen in the center stack. It also has a passenger screen, as well as being able to use your phone as a key. And that means lock, unlock, and start the vehicle, and also share that with other people.
Safety and automation take a front seat with hands-free driving assist, offering level 2+ capabilities.
These new 1500s are expected in dealerships this spring.
The Hurricane engine family is centre to Stellantis' strategic plan, making a step towards a greener future.
Now, a new model joins the lineup as well, the Ram RHO, boasting 540 horsepower. This really shows Ram's commitment to performance.
These engines are born in Stellantis' Saltillo engine plant, showcasing international craftsmanship.
The truck's new design is not just about looks, it features a new high-torque rear axle with a number of differential options.
Its contemporary design is matched by premium LED headlamps and distinctive grille designs.
The brand new Tungsten trim is the epitome of luxury. On the inside it has natural plus leather, and you'll find a new Klipsch audio system.
With over 100 safety features, the 2025 Ram 1500 prioritizes drive and passenger security.
Now, also on the horizon is a brand new Ram Rev, which will give you an all-electric powertrain that promises zero emissions without compromising any power.
The interior is a testament to luxury and functionality, with premium materials and innovative design accents.
Innovation, luxury, and sustainability. The 2025 Ram 1500 is not just a truck, it's a bold statement about the future of driving.
I'm Nick Miles.